大家好, welcome again to our video highlighting Chinese Mandarin language. So for today's video, we're going to highlight the Chinese tones or the Mandarin tones. It's really essential na kailangan alam po natin ang Chinese tones for us to effectively read the pinyin. Okay? Kaya po kasi kailangan nating malaman to kasi pag iba na yung ating pagkakabasa dun sa ating mga pinyin, maaaring iba na po ang ibig sabihin yan. Kahit pa same spelling yan, pero iba ang tone graph niya sa taas or tone mark, iba na po ang ibig sabihin. Just like in Tagalog, kapag naiba na yung ating pagkakasabi, pagkaka-pronounce, maaring iba na din po ang ibig sabihin. Diba? So, it's really essential kasi nga, it really indicate the correct tones of words. Just like for our example, ito yung pinakang commonly example na binibigay if we need to learn the tone Mandarin tones. So, meron tayong mga words dyan, pinyin na ma. Okay? So, nakita natin, limang ano yan, limang words, pero iba't iba class, iba't iba po ang meaning yan. Ayan. So, alamin natin muna. So, we have 5 tones in Mandarin. First is the first tone or flat tone. Okay? Tingnan natin yung ating arrow nandyan sa taas. So, flat tone lang siya. At ang pinaka-effective dyan, kung mag-throwback ako when I was in high school, effective siya talaga kapag ginagamitan mo siya ng kamay. Sinasabayan mo siya ng kamay. So, first tone, magaganto ka ng kamay mo. Yan. First tone, which is the flat tone. Ano po? Yan. And then, next is the second tone, going up, na parang may question na kaunti dito kapag nasabihin mo siya. So, later natin nasabihin yung tamang pronunciation yan. And then the third tone, the dipping and rising tone, down and up. And then the fourth tone is this, going down. Pabigla. Parang pabigla siya pag pronounce mo siya. And then, yung neutral tone. So, parang light lang siya. Okay? So, let's try to read those tones. Okay, first tone is this. So, using the word ma or the pinyin ma, we're going to pronounce that is like this. Ma, ma, ma. So, parang ano mo yung voice mo na flat lang din siya, and then yung kamay mo is naka-flat lang din. Okay? Horizontal lang siya. Ma, ma. Okay? Next is the second tone going up. So, yung voice mo from flat, para siyang magtataas. Okay? Pero, ang pinakang aking technique dito is para siyang medyo pa-question. Okay? So, parang ganito siya. Ma, ma, ma. Parang ganun siya. So, third tone is the dipping and rising tone, the down and up. So, yung voice mo dito, yung tone mo, pababa, and then pataas. Okay? Ganito siya. Ma, ma, ma. So, sa akin kasi talaga, mas effective siya kapag may kasamang kamay. So, hayaan nyo na kasama yung kamay sa pag-pronounce ko ng mga tones natin. And next is the fourth tone. Okay, that is ma. Ma. Pabigla lang siya. Ma. Going down. Ma. Okay? And lastly is the neutral tone or the light tone. Na parang ano lang siya. Yung light lang, simple lang, walang masyadong tones ginamit. Like, ma. Ganun lang siya. Or yung common lang. Okay? So, ganun po siya. So, kailangan alam natin kung ano-ano itong mga tones na to. Para pag nakita natin yung mga tones na to sa mga pinyin, alam na po natin kung paano siya i-pronounce or basahin. Okay? Ulitin po natin yung una. First tone, ma, ma, ma. Second tone, ma, ma, ma. Third tone is ma, ma, ma. Fourth tone is ma, ma, ma. Then fifth tone is ma. Ganun na siya. So, iba yung meaning niyan. Yung sa first tone natin, kapag ganun yung sinabi ninyo, ang ibig sabihin niya is mother. Okay? Mother. Kapag naman yung pangalawa, pag sinabi natin ma, ang ibig sabihin niya in Mandarin is numbed. Okay? Kapag naman sinabi natin ma, ma, ibig sabihin that is horse. Okay? Kabayo. And number 4, yung fourth tone natin is ma. 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 So, pag sinabi natin yon, ibig sabihin, ay, in English is, we're scolding. Okay? Scold. And, the last is ma. So, ginagamit yung ma for question word. So, kapag may mga, may mga tanong tayo, we add ma in sentence in Chinese Mandarin. So, I hope guys you learned something on this short video lesson. So, I hope you learned something, guys. That's it. 谢谢，再见，拜拜。